What is consumer offsets in Kafka? The consumer offsets topic is a special internal topic in Kafka that stores the committed offsets of consumers in a Kafka cluster. It is crucial for enabling fault tolerance and ensuring that consumers can resume processing messages seamlessly after a failure or restart. Purpose of consumer offsets 1. Tracks consumer progress. Kafka consumers commit their progress offsets after successfully processing messages. These offsets are stored in the consumer offsets topic, allowing consumers to resume processing from the last committed position. 2. Enables fault tolerance. If a consumer crashes or restarts, it can fetch the last committed offset from consumer offsets and continue processing without data loss or duplication. 3. Supports consumer groups. In a consumer group, multiple consumers process messages from different partitions. Consumer offsets stores the committed offsets for each consumer in the group, ensuring coordinated progress tracking. 4. Handles rebalancing. When a consumer joins or leaves a group, Kafka reassigns partitions among the remaining consumers. The consumer offsets topic ensures that new consumers in the group can pick up processing from the last committed offset. How consumer offsets works. 1. Offset commit. Consumers commit offsets periodically using the Kafka protocol. This can be done automatically, based on time intervals configured with enable.auto.commit, manually, application controlled using commit sync or commit async. 2. Offset storage. The consumer offsets topic stores the following metadata for each partition: group ID, identifier for the consumer group; topic, the topic name; partition, the partition number; offset, the latest committed offset; metadata, optional information like application state. 3. Message format. Each record in consumer offsets contains key, consumer group, topic, and partition; value, the committed offset and metadata. 4. Retention policy. Kafka retains committed offsets in score consumer offsets for a configurable period, offsets.retention.minutes. This allows consumers to recover even after long downtimes. Importance of consumer offsets. 1. Resume processing. Consumers can fetch the last committed offset to avoid reprocessing or skipping messages. 2. At least once delivery guarantee. By committing offsets after processing, Kafka ensures that messages are processed at least once. 3. Efficient group management. Consumer group coordination relies on consumer offsets for partition assignment and progress tracking. 4. Scalability. The topic is partitioned, allowing offsets for different groups and partitions to be stored and retrieved efficiently. Configurations related to consumer offsets. 1. Offset auto commit. Enable auto.commit. Default true. Automatically commits offsets periodically. Auto.commit.interval.mess. Interval for auto-committing offsets. 2. Retention settings. Offsets.retention.minutes. Time to retain committed offsets in score consumer offsets. 3. Partition count. Offsets.topic_num.partitions. Number of partitions for the consumer offsets topic, affecting scalability. Example use case. A consumer group is processing a topic with 4 partitions. Each consumer commits offsets after processing batches of messages. If a consumer crashes, the new consumer assigned to the partition can resume processing from the last committed offset stored in consumer offsets. Conclusion. The Zor consumer offsets topic is a vital component of Kafka's architecture, enabling fault-tolerant, scalable, and efficient consumer operations. It ensures seamless processing continuity in consumer groups, even in dynamic and failure-prone environments.